So this is the Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono RVE. Quite a mouthful. It is quite pretty from the graphics. From any sort of distance, you will get noticed on this, and it is the most powerful 4-gear single cylinder in a motorcycle. The frame is aluminium, so it's very light. This is 151 kilograms. So you've got a very quite powerful single cylinder in a very light frame. You've got these metal pegs here, because the idea is that you can take this not only on road but off road. So let's see what it's like to actually be on one. Can't even get your feet down. So you literally have to have it at an angle when you come to the top. And the thing is that in Britain, when we have a lot of hills and cambers and angles, that is a bit worrying.
Very good. Colin's here
feel pretty
the whole day
unbalanced.
today. Over on the stand this week.
That's the
He's happy to
starter.
talk to people about what they do and how
That
things happen.
is
So please take
a
time to
racing
speak to
fuel
Colin.
cap.
Thank you, Colin.
So you notice there's no key. So the idea is you just pop this off, put fuel in, and then away you go. You've got a basic LCD sort of screen here. A lot of anodized parts as well. Yeah, it will be quite fast. I'm sure at 1